This is timeline science. 22, 20, 20, 20, and 25, 20. Okay? Now we're starting, let's say here, this is 0 BC. Now, if you take all of the ups and downs that we talked about, the Renaissance and the witch hunts and the plagues and the television and the movies and the philosophy, right? And the wars and the YouTube. If we took all of that and amortized it, we should have been here in the year 2220. What's happened is, over the course of 2,000 years, we have lost about 10% of the signal. Right? Remember, it's frequency. So frequency can go up, can go down, can go up and down, right? And then you take that, that's what we're doing, we're amortizing. We're amortizing it. Now, we have lost 10% of the signal over 2,000 years with the plagues and the Spanish flu and the wars and the witch hunts and the religion. So instead of arriving here in 2220, we actually arrived here in 2020. Now, so timeline science says in the same period of time, our collective consciousness will reach a certain destination, right? It's just like, if you have an airplane, that's my airplane, and this has a better engine, and this is a smaller airplane. Now, this airplane will go much higher than this one, right? It's like a car, 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, and another car, 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. So consciousness, over this period of time, if this is 0 to 60, which is now, it's the 2,000 years, right? If we say 0 to 2,000 years, and we're measuring it in years because it's a timeline. It's consciousness, it's frequency, it's measured in time. Just like this, seconds. Seconds is time, right? This is in a year. We're measuring it in years. Our consciousness, our collective consciousness, because of all the ups and downs, arrived here in this century instead of this century. In other words, we should have been we are technically a 23rd century culture. We should have been here, but we've been knocked down over centuries, over 20 centuries. Now, and we have remnants of this 23rd century, right? We have like the iPhone, social media, right? There's the YouTube. All of this stuff is basically 23rd century stuff. Now, what's happened at the same time, so this is the mass, these are the masses. The masses, we are here. The masses are here. At the same time, there's another group of people, you call them the secret societies and the cabal, who elevated who elevated their timeline. And they are here in the 25th century, the 25th, 26th century. Right? So the difference between these people, we call them the cabal, we call them secret societies, or we call them the second I call it the second civilization. Some people call it the breakaway. They are 500 years, which is a lot, ahead of us in thinking and in technology.